Saturday, September 6, 2025. Focus. The Son of Man is the Lord of the Sabbath. With this short and simple statement, Jesus actually lays a claim to divinity. Who but God could be the Lord of the Sabbath? We are familiar with the Pharisees' self-serving agenda of trying to trap Jesus as a violator of the Sabbath. This time it was the disciples who were there in the main target. Jesus' response to their petty complaint has a vital lesson for us today. Love above laws and righteousness over rituals. Doubtless, the Sabbath was to be kept holy unto the Lord. Consequently, by Jesus' time, the religious leaders has gone to great lengths to define what constituted work, and that must be avoided at all cost on the Sabbath. Sadly, they ignored the greater law of love for God and neighbors. This perhaps indicated that despite the self-righteousness attitude, they were alienated and hostile in mind, doing evil deeds. Jesus defended his disciples by reminding the Pharisees about King David. Time and again, he tried to appeal to their hearts by pointing out that human need must take precedence over religious observance. But his detractors were so full of themselves in their knowledge of Scripture that they had no time to practice the basic teaching of the Scripture. Fruit. I shall do the thorough self-research and identify how I may be inadvertently violating the Sabbath by being preoccupied with religious activities while neglecting Christ's law of love.